Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Okay, it is May 1st that I'm recording this, and looky, we have our May Resin More subscription box. So that's what we're going to unbox today. We'll see what we get. Happy May to everybody. This is a regular box. I think last month you had the opportunity when you subscribed to pick a premium or a regular box. I chose the regular box last month. There was a video up by Raised Turquoise Turtle showing what was in the premium box. So you get everything in the regular plus extra stuff in the premium. And the rest of the boxes, until we get down to Halloween in the fall, will be regular boxes only, I believe is what the owner of the website said. So these will all be regular for the next 4 or 5 months anyway. Okay, let's see what we got. I have not watched any other unboxings yet. I don't know what's in here. Okay. Let's start with our... I loved Blow Pops when I was a kid. This is one of my all-time favorite candies. I'm not quite as into them anymore as I used to be, but I just thought these were fantastic when I was much younger. So that's cool. Our card shows our featured suppliers for May. Upstart Epoxy provided the resin. This and That by, wow, I cannot read that. This and That by Iris, I think. This and That by Iris and Supplies provided the glitter, and we got Grape, April Showers, and Hippie Day Parade. And mica and pigments were provided by Let's Resin. Okay, cool beans. Coming soon, our anniversary box. Don't know what that means, but we'll look forward to it. Thank you scratch off card, put that aside. Okay, so these are the 3 glitters that I just saw on here. We will review. We have Grape. That looks like maybe a holographic. It's very fine, but that's cool. April Showers, and these, oh, they're little umbrellas and a square cut. No, wait. Okay, oh, come on. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm really impressed with this. The silver is umbrellas and the blue is raindrops. Holy cow. I usually save the the more in-depth inspection of the products till after I've unboxed everything, but I need to look at this. Look at that. Look. Is that not cool? Look at those silver umbrellas and blue raindrops. Oh my gosh, this is just so flippin' cool. All right. Oh, wow. Love that. So it looks like I got umbrellas and raindrops on everything here. Sorry about that. Here is our Upstart Epoxy. Oh no. Our Upstart Epoxy, parts A and B, so 1-to-1 ratio, clearly. Colorants from Let's Resin. We have fluorescent green, and it says fluorescence, as in maybe it glows under UV. We'll have to check that out. And pearl pigment dye in golden yellow. So this will be an opaque pearlescent gold and possibly a glowing neon green. Don't know. Let's Resin micas with little umbrellas on them. Dark magenta. Yeah, I guess. Wow, that is dark. Okay. And pink. Very clearly pink. So those are our 2 mica powders. And then we have gold and pink flakes, which I don't like flakes. Just my background with using flakes is not a happy one. So, okay. We have flakes, we have some stir sticks, we have some medicine cups. Those are always appreciated. And we have our mold. And I'm guessing this has something to do with the 2 pieces of jute that were also in the box. So, oh, I think it's something. Let's see if I'm thinking correctly. Looks like, yes sirree, it's a cutting board. Now, if you make a cutting board out of resin, you are not going to be cutting food on it. That would just not be a good idea. But you can make an artistic board, and using the jute, obviously, and the whole nubbin that's in the mold, you can hang your art up, and it will look beautiful. Alrighty. Well, as usual with these unboxings, I know folks would probably like to see me do something as part of the video. And I admit, after I unbox videos, sometimes I get so sidetracked, the month goes by without a project. And I deeply apologize for that. I don't think there's enough epoxy in here to do that mold. Let's look at our colorants some more. I'm curious here. Go get my UV light. Test that out. I want to see what these look like. This one's pretty straightforward. It's pink. It's pink. So it's going to be pink. I want to see what the dark magenta looks like. This may be sort of a color shifty thing, which means it would look better on black, although honestly it's so dark, I'm not sure it'll show up on black. So let's try this. Yeah, okay. I'm still seeing mostly black. The magenta would be not very prominent. Maybe a little bit of shift. Okay, I can't make it go completely dark in here, but let's see what happens. I have a black light flashlight here. Oh yeah, that's a glowing. It's a glowing. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. And nothing. Definitely glows under black light. But it doesn't hold a charge very long. So I'm guessing I would have to charge it for a lot longer or out in the sun before it would hold a charge. But it definitely glows under black light. Right, so to recap our May box, we have our card that tells us what's in the box. We have 2 liquid colorants from Let's Resin and 2 mica powders from Let's Resin. 2 pieces of jute to use with our cutting board if we choose. A couple things of flakes. Some epoxy from Upstart Epoxy. 3, and I realized I did not go into this one at all. This is opalescent, almost neon looking citrus colors of orange, yellow, light green, and some darker green. It's flower shaped, so I can see where the hippy dippy comes from. And the grape ultra fine, which is beautiful, and the one I'm just, head over heels for, the umbrellas and raindrops. That's just too cool. I'm easily amused by shapes. That's why I have a million different shapes of glitter in my collection. We have our Charms Blow Pop, and of course, our charcuterie board mold. So I know that I often get sidetracked and I don't come back and do the projects after I say I will after an unboxing. I promise you, I will not put this off. I will do this project very soon, so keep watch for it. I don't know if I'll be able to think of a way to use every single thing in here. I will probably use my own resin and not test this out on this board because it's just going to take more than what's in here. But I can use the flakes, I can use the colorants, I can use the glitters, and we will come up with a very interesting looking cutting board for our May 2021 Resin and More box. So stay safe, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.